Okay guys, so it looks like we are back again with Granny. I'm sorry if we start a little bit I'll move on a little bit. I found a weapon key upstairs on the security room, like, chilling. So yeah, we got a shotgun here guys. We're gonna use this son of a bitch to shot those holes. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna be a little bit silent guys because I'm really focused on the game. Boom, bitch! Fuck yeah. Where's the other hole at? Come on, I know you hear that. Boom! Boom! Oh my god, dude, I swear, man. This game just stopped! God damn it, dude. It's lagging or some shit like that, dude. God damn it, man. Okay, dude, you know what? Stop playing, dude. God damn it. I almost got that hole. But I'm gonna grab the shotgun and go upstairs, guys. It's already day 2, man. Are you shit kidding me, dude? This is fucking sucks. Go grab the shotgun. Grab the shotgun, run! Oh my god, it's stuck again! Move! Fucking cock, dude. This game was stuck for some reason, dude. Take that, ho. Move out of the way! God damn it. This game's so frustrated. Oh, god damn. Let's go up. Yeah, let's go. There we go. So guys, what I want to explain is that we failed at the previous game. I died. I failed record. Come on, man. Bob Chen. Boom. Easy, dude. Bitches! Okay guys, so we are back. Look at this shit, man. Fuck yeah! Okay, we're gonna grab a lot of ammo. Oh shit, I think I fucked up. Am I? You're so stupid, dude. Oh my god. You goddamn fucked! It's a goddamn trap. Oh my god, I'm gonna be dead. Grab the shotgun. Ammo. Yes, please. Ammo, yo. I think she's here. There she is. Where is it? Okay, I think they can hear that. Okay, I think hold on. What happened, dude? Why I fall? God damn it, my leg is hurt and now. Are you shit kidding me? Let's go up. Let's see what happened. God damn, dude. So I think I fall here. Okay, let's see. Where does it fall? Dude, right? Can I open it again? I don't know. If I'm not wrong, guys, this is a trap door. You gotta find glass fuse for that shit. So we gotta find that. It's gotta be somewhere. But what I'm gonna do next is that we're gonna give a fit. No, we're actually gonna find a wrench. Hell yeah, wrench. So we're gonna find that soon later, guys. Alright. Go down, dude. Go fucking down. So stupid. Open this goddamn door. Let's see one here. Crowbar! Fuck yeah. But we gotta call the hole. Another here. Alright. Be prepared, guys. There you go. Says your grandpa. Come here, motherfucker. Boom! Bitches! You want some of the— Boom! Motherfucker. Okay, we're gonna grab the wrench. Crowbar. We're gonna find some shit because there's tons of box here, guys. Okay, so let's go. Let's go down, motherfucker. Okay. This box here, right? We gotta go fast, guys. We got 2 minutes, motherfucker. It's not here. Okay, I don't give a fuck. Let's see what here. Nothing, of course. Okay, what's in there? The duct tape. Yeah, we need that. We don't actually need that shit, but we need later. Not right now, guys. Fuck, dude. What's the wrench? What gotta do? I can't do shit without wrench. Is it in here? Glass fuse! Motherfucker, let's go! Oh shit, I hope I get a time. We might be gotta shot Granny again, man. I forgot. Oh yeah, I left my shotgun upstairs. Okay. I think we got ammo upstairs, I don't know. I hope we do. Okay guys, there's a shotgun. We have ammo here. Yes, we do. So let's go in here. We got glass fuse, bitches. Okay, goddamn, I'm kinda scared. I can't get paranoid with some crap. Okay. So, Jesus shit. Oh, goddamn! Yo! The helicopter guys! Shit! Yo, we on the helicopter, motherfucker. Oh, sweet here. So this thing is shotgun. Okay. So, yeah, we got engine start and shit. Okay, dude. But what the fuck, dude? What the fuck we need to do? Okay, what? Oh, fuel? Gasoline. Okay. If I'm not wrong, we also need a duct tape. We have gasoline, a duct tape, and a key. I don't know if we can do it in this episode, guys. You guys want it? Let me know in the comments. I can't remember what the duct tape is. Hold on. Okay, man. What's the duct tape? It's around the room, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, guys. I kind of forgot. Okay, man. I'm stuck again. This game is gonna make me very angry, dude. Look at this shit, guys. Oh my god, dude. This thing just getting stuck. Oh, I think this is the duct tape one. Yeah. Okay, let's go down. You gotta shoot those two holes first. I can't. Where? I think I duct tape I left at downstairs, right? Yes. But first, we need a shotgun ammo, guys, to blow those holes. Boom, bitches! I know you hear that. Come on. Boom! Okay, shit. Gasoline is here. No, yes, it is. Okay, there you go. Fuck, man. Gasoline. Grab the gasoline and the duct tape. We're gonna try, okay, guys. We're gonna end the game in this episode if we have a time. I think we do. Okay, we gotta go fast. Holy shit, dope. There you go. That tape is downstairs, guys. Downstairs. But I think we have a time. Okay? I hope we do. God damn it. Come on. Okay, drop that shit. Nothing useful for us no more. Okay, so we're gonna go downstairs. I think downstairs this was the duct tape is. I can't remember, man. God damn, guys. So hold on. Let me check. I can't really remember, yo. I think it's downstairs. You know what? Let's grab my shotgun first, dude. I'm really stupid, guys. So easy to forget. I don't even know why. There's no shotgun ammo. Okay, let's go down. We just found it here, guys. I think it's upstairs, man. Oh fuck, dude. Oh yeah, the crate. Fuck. Okay, man. I'm so stupid. It's on the crate that we use on the crowbar. Fuck me, dude. Shit. Fucking hole. Fuck you. Where's the grandpa? I know he already revived. Come here, ho. You gonna leave?
I see you.
Yeah, now you see me, you stupid fuck. You're gonna die. You're gonna die, boy. Okay, let's get duct tape and shit. Duct tape, helicopter key, and we out of this bitch hole. Duct tape, hell yeah. Now I remember. Okay. Let's go, guys. Holy shit, I can't wait. We're gonna get to the end in this video. No bullshit no more, guys. I think helicopter key on the... I forgot what it's called. It's just something shit. Boom, bitches. So, we still got tons of time because they revive in 2 minutes. We play in easy mode. Basically, because if we play on normal, it's gonna be hard like dog shit. There we go, helicopter key. Gonna grab that son of a bitch, and we out of here, this bitch. Fuck yeah. Move, boxes. Goodbye to this shit house. Alright, it's hot as fuck in here, man. It's 30 Celsius. Fuck, yeah, let's go out, guys. Alright. Woo, bitches. Engine. Get out of here, motherfucker! God damn! Holy shit! I can't. Okay, I'm sorry. Goodbye, motherfucker! I'm out of here! Woo! Woohoo! Bye bye, bitches! I'm gonna get laid in strip club. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the video. I will explain I will explain what happened in the previous video that I forgot to tell you guys at the end of the video. Basically, I've been recording this game many times to get the ending, but I'm keep dying. Okay, but finally we made it. We escaped. You know, it just take me too many times to record because I keep dying and it takes so long. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Granny chapter 2 helicopter ending is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, leave a like, subscribe, and